Is it really worth making your own homemade biscuits? I'm comparing the Two Ingredient Biscuits to the Pillsbury Frozen Biscuits for cost, for taste, for calories, and fat. Welcome to Homemade Cooking in Texas. I'm Carolyn Gibson from Dogwood Gardens, where homemade cooking is surprisingly easy, healthier for you and your family, saves money, and tastes great. Now first I made sure that the biscuits were equal in size or as much as I could do that. Now first of course, taste is everything. I thought the two ingredient biscuits were a little more salty than the Pillsbury Frozen Biscuits. Now my husband liked the two ingredient biscuits better because they tasted more like what his mother made, and he thought the Pillsbury Frozen Biscuits were a little tough. Now I thought the two ingredient biscuits had more of a melt in your mouth taste. Now, cost. Now, depending on how large a package you bought, whether it was the 20 or the 12 count, it's going to cost you anywhere from 20 cents per biscuit to 31 cents per biscuit. Now, the two ingredient biscuits are going to cost you about 15 cents each if you bought your ingredients at Walmart. Now, you could bring that cost down to as little as 10 cents per biscuit if you bought your cream at Sam's or Costco or one of those other big stores. Now, I was really surprised that the two ingredient biscuits had more grams of fat per biscuit than what the Pillsbury frozen biscuits did. Now, the Pillsbury frozen biscuits had 180 calories per biscuit with 8 grams of fat. The two ingredient biscuits were 133 calories per biscuit with 13 grams of fat. Now, you can fool your body by making the biscuits smaller. You would have the satisfaction of eating two biscuits while consuming less calories. See how I make two ingredient biscuits on my YouTube channel, and I'll put a link to it in the description. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.